Swati, morning. Thanks for joining in. There is some excitement around the introduction of Tinifcon. Can you take us through how big a potential drug this could be?
No, we've simply announced that the American Dermatology Association accepted our presentation on this new drug, which is the way science pharma companies go. Whenever they make a worldwide presentation, it's a big deal. So they did accept our presentation, and we made it a couple of days ago in Miami. So this is our psoriasis phytopharmaceutical drug. So I'd like to differentiate it from the NCE, which is a new chemical entity, of course, which that is much more valuable. A phytopharmaceutical is a different pipeline, but it is nevertheless very important clinically.
Swati, morning. Just to understand the market better, though, how large is the market for drugs for psoriasis, and I mean, how much potential do you see for Tinifcon after having made this presentation?
You see, currently there is very little treatment available for psoriasis except for devices like UV radiation, and the new biologicals are extremely expensive. They are in the range of, maybe $20,000 a year, and really very expensive, and also with a lot of side effects. So our approach was to find a gentler therapy, which comes out from the plant kingdom, which is effective for mild to moderate psoriasis, doesn't have the side effects, is very safe, and yet is very active. So that is our approach. We think that this will do very well in countries like India, where, of course, biologicals is unaffordable. And it will also do very well in cold countries where, of course, psoriasis is more common because of the lack of sunlight.
So just in India, as a domestic launch, what would the potential be for Piramal Life Sciences, Swati, if you were to go ahead and launch?
It would be some time before we do that, because this is still at lab scale. But we haven't yet estimated how much it could, how much revenue we could have. We just said there's an unmet medical need. Let's go and do something for it, and it's still too early to tell.